Hello, grade 10. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, today we will discuss the rest part of the chapter. Welcome back to my lecture, chapter 8. How do organisms reproduce? Okay, so let's start with menstruation. So, at the age of 12, that is known as puberty, that we already discussed in the previous lecture. What is puberty? So ovum production that start in females. Usually one ova is released in fallopian tube after 28 days. And during ovulation, uterine wall thickens and blood supply in it that will increases. If the ovum is not fertilized, then thickened wall of uterus along with blood vessels is bleed out, or you can say shed off from vagina. That is known as menstruation. Okay, and if that fertilization occur or it occur during 14 days after ovulation and last for 3 to 5 days. Okay, and after menstruation uterine wall start building up so that it can receive next ovum. So the cycle of the menstruation that is repeated after every 28 days. First is menarche. Menarche is what? That is the beginning of the menstruation that start of 12 to 13 year of age. Second is the menopause, that is the stoppage of menstruation that occur around 50 year of age. Okay, in the given image you can see menarche and menopause. Now population control. There are different methods to control populations. First is the barrier method. In this, devices like condom etc. are used that prevent the sperm from meeting ovum. Second is the chemical method. So there are two type of the methods. First one is oral pill, second is the vaginal pill. Oral pill basically contain hormones which obstruct ovulation. Second, vaginal pill that contain spermicides. As the name indicates, spermicide is that chemical which is used to kill the sperm. Okay, these are two the chemical methods. So next is the surgical method. In males, their vasa deferens, you can see in the picture, vasa deferens is cut and ligated. That means again joined. So what will happen? That prevent sperms from coming out, and that process is known as vasectomy. Whereas in female their fallopian tube is cut, okay, and ligated again. So what will happen? That prevent ovulation. In the male that process is called vasectomy, and in the female that is known as tubectomy. Okay, next is IUCD. IUCD stands for intrauterine contraceptive device like copper T. This prevent implantation. Okay, next, sexually transmitted disease, that is also known as STD. Do you know what are STDs? STDs, that is sexually transmitted disease like AIDS, gonorrhea, syphilis, etc. AIDS is basically caused by virus HIV, that is fatal disease, in which a immune system of a person that weakens and he becomes more prone to infection. Okay, if you have any doubt, then you can ask me anytime. Okay, so till then, stay at home, stay safe, be happy.